So let me show you how to use the filter view functionality. So currently I'm in inventory list view and there's a filter view button on the side menu. Let's go ahead and select that. This brings up the filter view. And let's say I want to filter using description 1. So I'll just type in shorts, then say OK. And Retail Pro only displays those items that match my criteria. Now if I want to cancel this filter, I can use the cancel filter button. Okay, let me go back in. My last filter is saved. I'll run it again. And this time, instead of canceling, I'll select the modify filter button, which is basically the filter view button, right? It's a toggle switch. So I'll select that button. And this time, let's say I want to only display Levi's shorts. Say OK, done. So I can search on multiple fields as well. So let me clear this out. Now, what if I wanted to add or remove my filter elements? It's quite easy. You just need to right-click anywhere on the screen and then select Filter Design. Anything above the line will be available as a filter element. So I'm going to take price out of here and commission code as well. And let's add something else. Let's add description 3 and 4. So I just double-clicked on it to bring it above the line. Then I can just right-click again and select criteria. So now I'm back and I can filter for these two available elements. Okay, let me go and just say OK. Now let me go back into filter view. You can actually create a saved filter. For example, let me create one called Levi and shorts for description 1. I can actually save this filter. So if I go to filter manager, right now the filter I'm looking at is called default. I'm going to rename that. I'm going to call this Levi shorts. So this is the Levi shorts filter and I'll run it. Done. Then in the future I can come in, I can just run the Levi shorts filter. So I'm going to cancel this. Let me cancel the filter. And let's go back into filter view and let's create another saved filter. So this time though, I'm going to go to filter manager. I'm going to take this filter here and copy it. So here's the new filter and I'm going to call this one Lee shorts. So I'm going to select the Lee shorts. Then of course I'm going to change the criteria. Lee shorts and say OK. So this is the Lee shorts criteria. If I go back to modify filter, notice I'm using the Lee shorts filter. Now if I wanted to, I can go back to manager, grab the Levi shorts filter. Notice it changes the criteria and run it. So that's creating and using saved filters. Now these filters are saved at the user level. So they're really only accessible by sysadmin. Now if another user came in, logged in, and created their own filters, then those filters would be available for them. So saved filters are available at the user level. That's it. That's FilterView.